Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today video is on traffic, transportation or operating rules, mini objective question bank which includes approximately 20 questions, and these questions are very important for our traffic examination, departmental exam especially. This is set number 11. So my today first question is, which train in India has the longest route length? Which train in India is the longest route length? The answer is Vivek Express. Vivek Express in India has the longest route length. When was the first underground railway, means a metro railway, started in India? When was the first underground railway started in India? That is 1984. In 1984, a station where the rail lines end is called terminal station. For example, Chennai Central Railway Station. That is a terminal station. How much distance was travelled by first train of India? How much distance was travelled by first train of India in 1853 in between Mumbai to Thane? That was 34 kilometer. 34 kilometer. In between Mumbai to Thane, it runs 34 kilometer. General manager is responsible for dash. General manager, which is a head of zonal railway, is directly responsible for railway board. A platform surrounded by rail lines from all the four sides is called island platform. Like any land, if surrounded by all four sides by water, that is island. Likewise, if any platform surrounded by lines all the side, that is island platform. When was the nationalization of Indian Railways done? When was the nationalization of Indian Railway done? In 1950. In 1950. Railway Staff College is situated at Vadodara. The new name is Nair. National Academy of Railway Institute. National Academy of Indian Railway, Nair. Where is the Research, Design and Standard Organization situated? In short, we can say RDSO. It is situated in Lucknow. RDSO situated in Lucknow. Standard Moving Dimension Load infringing, that is ISMD, shall be moved by infringing standard moving dimension load shall be moved by through train, option A, option B shunting trains, option C work trains, and option D none. So viewers, please guess your answer. The answer is A, that is through trains. ISMD shall be moved by through trains. The wagon containing ISMD load shall be attached. The wagon or train containing ISMD load shall be attached next to engine. Immediate after engine, the ISMD should be attached. Both ISMD and ODC should be attached next to train engine. If the driver does not receive all right signal from the guard, he must call by giving If the driver does not receive all right signal from the guard, he must call by giving two short whistle. The same whistle code is used when the SM not exchanging all right signal with the driver. The driver shall sound the following whistle to indicate that the falling mark is not clear. The driver shall sound the following whistle to indicate that the falling mark is not clear, that is 3 long. If we draw 3 long in line and attach all 3, it's become a falling mark. Just for clue I am giving this trick. Hand shunting is performed at speed not exceeding. Hand shunting. Engine shunting 15 kmph. Hand shunting only 5 kmph. So hand shunting is performed at the speed not exceeding 5 kmph. In automatic block system, single line, the minimum equipment of signal shall be. In automatic block system single line, the minimum equipment of signal shall be home and starter. Home and a starter. Modified lower quadrant signaling may be introduced only with the sanction of. Modified lower quadrant signaling may be introduced only with the sanction of CRS. Only with the sanction of CRS. When unsafe condition of river bund is reported, caution order to be issued for speed during day is. Unsafe condition of river bund is reported. Caution order to be issued for speed during day is 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour. BD special, breakdown special, shall be turned out during night within. BD special means breakdown special. So here friends, I would like to inform something. The first answer is 45 minutes during night. During day is 30 minutes. So here I want to give some concept. One thing is ARME, accident relief medical equipment. So ARME, in case of ARME, it will take less time. Why? Because passengers is there, they need immediate relief. So always ARME will take less time than BD. BD means only some like so in case of BD it will take less time. I missed one question, just read that. Track maintenance machine is permitted to work during. Track maintenance machine is permitted to work during both day and night. TMM can work both day as well as night also. What the question I missed, please read by your own. Thanks for watching video. For making video with minimum time, I missed one question. Kindly read that. Hope you understand. Thank you. If you like my videos, I requested members to kindly like it, subscribe my channel and share with your friends those who are preparing for railway departmental exam.